Welcome to Destined Beyond Belief, a gentle space where your heart can rest, heal, and open again. Today, we're sharing calming affirmations to help you trust love again after a difficult time. Find a comfortable seat, take a slow, steady breath, and allow these words to settle into your heart. Let each affirmation meet you with warmth and compassion. I am worthy of safe, loving partnerships. I open my heart to receive gentle love. I trust my inner wisdom to guide my choices. I am learning to love and be loved with ease. I attract relationships that honor and respect me. I feel peaceful and confident in love. Deserve kindness, honesty, and care. My boundaries, and they protect my heart. I welcome healthy, emotional intimacy. I am patient with my healing and growth. I allow love to enter my life now. I am strong, soft, and open at once. I choose partners who show up authentically. I release hesitation and step into trust. I trust the timing of my relationships. I am calm and centered in matters of the heart. I listen to my intuition with kindness. I attract people who cherish my truth. I give and receive love with ease. I am deserving of faithful and nurturing love. I honor my past and welcome a brighter future. I am courageous in opening my heart again. I create safe space for love to grow. I am gentle with myself as I heal. I trust that love supports my highest good. I am open to sincere and lasting connections. I choose clarity, honesty, and mutual respect. I feel secure in my worth and my choices. I am magnetic to people who match my values. I cultivate trust through honest communication. I nurture my heart with self-compassion. I let warmth and affection into my life. I am aligned with relationships that uplift me. I release old patterns and embrace new love. I welcome forgiveness as a path to freedom. I honor my feelings and they guide me wisely. I am attracting trustworthy, loyal partners. I choose to believe in love's goodness. I build trust one kind action at a time. I am filled with compassion for myself and others. I trust that healthy love is possible for me. I am safe to be vulnerable and expressive. I embrace new connections with openness and discernment. I deserve respectful, consistent devotion. I celebrate my growth and emotional resilience. I attract love that amplifies my joy. I am empowered to choose love that honors me. I welcome reciprocity, warmth, and care. I trust love's gentle unfolding in my life. I am ready to receive deep, loving connection. Take a slow, grounding breath now and feel the calm confidence these affirmations bring. Thank you for joining us. If these words supported your heart, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with someone who needs gentle encouragement, and leave a comment with your favorite affirmation. Thank you for taking this time to be here with us. Until next time, keep your heart open and trust the love you are destined to receive.